The rolling stones phenomenon in Death Valley is one of nature's enduring mysteries, captivating visitors and scientists alike. Located within the remote and desolate landscape of Racetrack Playa, this phenomenon involves the movement of large rocks across the dry lake bed, leaving behind long and sometimes intricate trails in their wake. For decades, the question of how these rocks move remained a puzzle, sparking numerous theories and speculation. One prevailing theory suggests that the movement of the rocks is facilitated by a combination of factors, including the unique geology of the playa and the climatic conditions of Death Valley. During rare occurrences of winter precipitation, a shallow layer of water can accumulate on the playa's surface, forming a thin sheet of ice overnight. As temperatures rise during the day, the ice begins to melt, creating a slippery surface that allows the rocks to be easily moved by even the gentlest of winds. Studies have shown that under these specific conditions, winds as light as 10 to 15 miles per hour are sufficient to propel the rocks across the playa, leaving behind their characteristic trails. The movement is slow and incremental, often taking years or even decades for a rock to travel significant distances. The precise mechanism by which the rocks move, however, remains a subject of ongoing research and debate. While the role of ice in facilitating movement is widely accepted, other factors such as wind patterns, rock buoyancy, and the texture of the playa's surface may also play a role in the process. Despite the scientific explanations behind the phenomenon, the sight of these rolling stones traversing the barren expanse of Racetrack Playa never fails to evoke a sense of wonder and intrigue. Visitors to Death Valley are drawn to witness this natural spectacle firsthand, marveling at the silent journey of these enigmatic rocks across the desert landscape.